Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is a different type of video that I am adding to my home decor content. This video is about makeup. It's not necessarily a makeup tutorial because quite honestly, I don't have a set makeup technique, but I wanted to share with you and show to you how I put on my makeup in order to get ready for the day. So I'm going to just call this a come get ready with me. First and foremost, and as always, I want to say thank you to all whom subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Without your support, I would not have a channel. So I appreciate you watching and supporting all of my videos. As you can see, I've already started applying the makeup. This is actually a Sunday midday when I am getting ready to go to church. I want more of a natural, neutral look. I don't really want all of the high gloss or the glitter on my face, similar to how you would wear it if you were going to a ball or a wedding or something that was very formal. As I'm applying the makeup, I'm just leaning into the camera to show you actually what I am using. I don't have a particular makeup line that I like more than the others. Whatever is affordable and whatever looks good, or at least I think looks good on me, that's normally what I will wear. But I do use MAC quite a bit. The two eye palettes that I'm using for this look, the first one is Whitney Houston eye palette. I purchased that palette, I believe, about a year ago, right around the Christmas holidays when they were showcasing it then. I did not want any of the other makeup, but I did like the eyeshadow palette. And I also have the Modern Renaissance Anastasia, if I pronounced that correctly, but it's by Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. That's a palette that my daughter actually gave me well over a year and a half ago, and I liked the color blend. I liked the color content where I could mix and match colors to go everything from neutral to a little bit of, I'm gonna call it gloss, because some of the eye colors do have a tint that give a glow to the eyeshadow itself. Right now what I'm doing is with my NW45 Studio Fix powder by MAC, I was just kind of just filling in or refreshing my face. As you can see, and as you continue to watch this video, you'll notice that I'm jumping from the eyebrows back to the eyeshadow. I'll go then to my face, then I'll go back to my eyes. As I stated, I don't have a set technique of how I apply my makeup. I am definitely not a makeup guru. I just apply what I think looks nice on me, and as I continue to do the application and I look in the mirror, as you see me doing here frequently, if I like what I see, I'll leave it as is, and if not, I'll continue to work on it or change it. This is just basically a charcoal pencil where I am lining underneath my eyes and over the eyes, and now I'm applying mascara in order to give my eyelashes what I'll refer to as a little bit more definition. I don't wear lashes. Have I ever? I tried them once or twice, but what I found out is, for me, I just like more of the natural look of my eyes without the lashes, and so I'll just purchase a mascara that allows me to give them a little bit more plump, I believe that's the word, so that I do each individual lash, and the way I roll the brush, it extends it out. I'm now using the MAC I believe it is A35 Warm Light Definitive Sculpt and Shape Powder. It's a product that also gives you the sculpt but the highlight as well. I don't want to highlight my cheekbones. You can see in my face I have high cheekbones already, so I just wanted to sculpt the cheeks a little bit, and then I'll go in later and apply my blush. As I said, I jump around when I do my makeup, so you can see I'm back to the eyes. And what I wanted to do was just add just a little bit more of a brightening color right on the lid itself, right above the eyeliner. I want to again say thank you for continuing to watch this video, this short makeup video, in hopes that if you like the content that you see, you'll subscribe to Freddie King's Home Decor channel. On my channel, I talk and teach what's called the color palette series. So if you're interested in just learning a natural, quick way of doing your makeup, but more so how to make your home look luxurious from ceiling to floor and floor to ceiling, then this probably is a good channel for you. I'm almost done with my makeup look, and so I am now just lining my lips. I like to do that every now and then, and I'll insert the lip gloss inside of how I've lined them, rub my lips together, and for me, that's a pretty good look. Again, I want to say thank you for continuing to watch this video, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and close it out with one or two more touches, and the final reveal is up next. Okay, here it is. This is the final look that I will be wearing today. As you can see, I have created a very natural, neutral makeup look just as I want it. And I'm going to show you from the front how this look all came together so naturally and so beautifully. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I hope to see you in the next home decor design video and makeup as well.